traders. See how it reacts to this pivot point here. A little bounce at the moment. $29s, $80s, kind of point of control right here at this green line. All right, we're filled. That's what we're looking for. Come on, pivot. So this is where, if I was smart, I would have waited to see if I was going to get in or not. If this thing holds it down, that's a little bit more confirmation. I jumped in early thinking that this thing was going to roll off without me, and so now I'm having to sit through a little bit of pain to see if I'm right. I would have gotten a little bit better credit. This is what we need right here. I like these upper wicks. That's showing a little bit of weakness. Before we had lower wicks, which is showing a little bit of strength. So let's get through this 21-day moving average here. Next stop, 29.80. All right, we gotta get through this right here, and we could be golden. I gotta get ready for work here in about 10 minutes, so hopefully we can get through here and start bleeding off real quick. Let me get some profits before I go to work. Futures starting to dump a little bit on that 10-minute chart. We're at the moment of truth on the 5-minute. I needed to get below this 21-day moving average. So we should be able to sell off some more here, and it's selling off hard now. So, well, I say hard, just jumping down, but this is working out for me too. I'm tempted to. I'm about to get filled on this order. I'm trying to decide whether I want to cancel it or just be smart and take my money. Alright, the futures are starting to dump, so we should see a pretty good little drop here, hopefully. If you see this line disappear, all of a sudden that means that it's at my order right now, so I could get filled any second. So if it doesn't get through this time, we might just get out anyways. Futures is back to that level of support. Oh, I just got filled. Okay, well, there you go. A winner. 60 cents is actually $60. So I made $50. Not a whole lot. However, I'm trying to just kind of come up with a strategy that is repeatable, and then I can do more. So if I'd done 10 of those, that'd have been $500. So I'm pretty happy with the effort, or the today's results, especially since I couldn't sit here and watch it, and it has bounced off this 80 mark a couple of times now. So wow, it bounced hard off it. See, look at that. That's nuts. That's why I wanted to get out around this 2980 area. I called it this morning way back here. That's because of this right here. If you look at this, so this is a volume profile. You can't do that on SPX because there's no technical volume on that. So this red line right here represents the point of control for the month. You can see it always tends to come back to it. And we opened up a ways away from it, so I expected it to kind of come back to it. And then you have to watch the reaction at that point. So I figured with it open up above it, it'd come down to it a bit, and then everything seems to be pretty bullish. So maybe it's going to bounce and head back up there. But I'm pretty happy to get out there, and I'm going to get off here now and go get ready for work and